Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary, and today I have a really important video for you that could change your life and change the life of people who are around you when you're driving down the road. There's an option, or a feature I should say, on your vehicle that a lot of you don't know about. And today I'm going to tell you what it is, and I'm not going to even charge you one single penny for this information. And this all has to do with what you see going on right here. You might have been driving down the road and noticed that there is a light blinking on the front, the rear, and sometimes even in the side view mirrors. And you notice it on the left and the right sides of the vehicle. And maybe you thought to yourself, what is up with that? Can my vehicle do it? And what is the purpose of such a thing? Well, it all has to do with a lever that, in the United States at least, is on the left-hand side of the steering column. A lot of the time you can control your windshield wipers with this lever, or the headlight functionality around the vehicle. You can even sometimes, depending on the model of the vehicle, run the windshield washer fluid, wash your front camera. Some of you don't even know you have a front camera on your vehicle. I have videos that'll show you that for you Ford F-150, F-250, F-3 owners and other vehicles. Sometimes you even have a rear camera washer in addition to that front camera washer. But anyway, we're not talking about that today. The main purpose of this lever here is to control those flashy, blinky light things that are on the outside of the vehicle that I showed you earlier. It's called a turn signal lever. And yes, it can be a multitasker, as I mentioned, but its main function is to let people around you know what your intentions are when you're driving. Come on inside and I'll show you how easy it is to use. So here is how this works. If you're changing lanes to the right or turning to the right, you flip it into the up position. You see that blinking green arrow? It's right up here. That indicates that your blinkers are working. And if you're doing the same thing to the left, or maybe merging onto the interstate or whatever road you may be driving on, you push it into the down position. Do you see how I did that? I just gently push down like that. It's not really hard to do. There's not a lot of pressure or tension here. It's very easy. You won't need to request oxygen or call 911 if you use this feature, but this is how you do it into the down position. And you see that arrow up there again? It's blinking to the left. That lets you know, or the people around you know, that you are turning to the left, changing lanes from right to left in front of them, or merging from the road you just drove off of to the interstate or whatever you're getting onto. It's really amazing. That is likely in your vehicle. Even if you didn't pay a whole lot for your vehicle, it's still probably there. So now the mystery is out. And like I said, I promised I'm not charging you anything to give you this top secret information. And you know what? Here is the best information of all. There is no Surgeon General's warning sticker on the turn signal lever. That means it's not hazardous to your health. That means you can use it from now on.